In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Robinhood account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. If you're thinking about removing your Robinhood account, there are several steps you need to follow to ensure everything is handled properly. Remember, this is not as simple as clicking a single button. You'll need to make sure your financial activities are all squared away first. Firstly, the most critical step is to close all your positions. It's essential to sell off any stocks or cryptocurrencies you own. This process is straightforward. Just head to your portfolio, select each position you have, and choose the option to sell. Keep in mind that once you sell your holdings, the funds will be settled in your account, but that doesn't mean you can delete your account just yet. Next, you'll want to confirm that you have no pending deposits. This is crucial because if there are any pending transactions, you won't be able to close your account. If you notice any funds that haven't cleared, just wait until those deposits process before moving forward. Additionally, check for any upcoming dividends, cash sweep payments, or stock lending payments. Any of these will prevent your account from being closed immediately, so make sure they've all been paid out. You'll need to be diligent here since you have to wait until all these transactions clear before you can shut down your account effectively. Next, verify that you are no longer enrolled in the stock lending or brokerage cash sweep programs. If you've participated in these, you'll need to opt out before you can proceed. Make sure to check your settings for any active enrollments. Once you've done all of that, it's time to navigate to your account settings in the Robinhood app. Open the app, and you'll see an icon that looks like a person in the upper corner. Tap on that. This should bring up a menu with 3 bars. Select those 3 bars to access more options. From there, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you will find most of your account options. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Deactivate an account. Select it, and you will be prompted to choose the account you wish to close. Make sure you're selecting the correct account if you have multiple ones. Once you've selected your account, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This will guide you through the steps to ensure there's nothing outstanding and to confirm that your account can be deactivated. At this point, you will need to check your account balance. You must ensure it's at $0. If everything looks good and you confirm you have no remaining balance, then you can go ahead and finalize your deactivation request. And that's it. Follow these steps to delete your Robinhood account safely. The process may seem complicated, but taking the time to ensure everything is in order will save you from any pesky issues later on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.